back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make body scrub at home DIY. Very natural and very safe way to use all skin types and conditions. So guys, I will show you step by step, very easy to make. So without delay a time, let's begin. So guys, before I start, I'm going to explain about the all ingredients and what I'm going to use and their properties and their benefits, what benefits you can get. So I'm going to explain about the coffee. So I'm using ground coffee today. Very effective for the scrub to buff away dead skin, tighten skin and boost off the skin and lighten skin as well. Second, I'm going to explain about the brown sugar. So sugar helps in gently clean away dead skin cells, provides skin softness, supple feel and unclog pores. Third, I'm going to explain about the coconut oil. So coconut oil has a medium chain fatty acids. Coconut oil helps your skin super soft and supple, reducing inflammation and helping heal wounds and contribute to a more even skin tone. Then I'm going to explain about the lemon properties and what benefits you can get. Lemon contain a high amount of vitamin C, flavin acids which can oxidize vitamin C, helps lighting dark spot, protect from sunburn, age, spots and discoloration, and very easy to remove the dead skin cells as well. So lastly, I'm going to add some pure honey as well. So honey helps to glow your skin. So I'm going to mix all together now. First, we're going to add the coffee. To add the coconut oil. Then we're going to add the honey. Then I'm going to squeeze the lemon. And you can use for month as well, it's not going to bad. And this is very safe for all skin conditions and types. Then I'm going to mix all together. Do not add any water. So guys, when you mix it up very properly, you can put plastic or bottle jar. This is ready for use.